Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just came on to do a really quick video. I know I have been missing in action for a while now, and I do apologize for that. Things have been really crazy, really busy, so I haven't really had time to do much crafting. But by the way, happy 4th of July. Today is 4th of July, and it's Sunday. I do have to go to work tomorrow, but I have a couple of gift boxes that I made for a couple of co-workers of mine. And I'm using these little boxes as candy boxes. Now, I might have showed you guys these boxes before because I love making them. It's super simple. I got this tutorial from Tamika at Scrap the World, and I will link the I will leave a link in the description box if you guys are interested in checking out this tutorial. You need no dies for this this cute little box. You don't have to have any dies. All it is you'll be doing some measuring, some cardstock, cutting out some templates. That's it. And this is from her Hexagon purse tutorial video, so I will leave a link to that in the description box below. I just wanted to come on and say hey and show you these cute little boxes. Like I said, you may have seen them on my channel before because I love to make them. Shout out to Tamika. She has tons of awesome like gift box tutorials on her channel. She has a series of the little purse gift boxes, which this is a part of the series. Little gift boxes that are kind of like little purses, and I'm using these to fill up with candy, but you can put whatever you want in these little boxes. They make great gift boxes. I use the Prima Havana paper to decorate this box. I had about 4 sheets of 12 by 12 sheets of that left. I only used did I use one or two? I only used 2 of those 4 that I had left. I had gotten that from scrapbook.com, which I did share with you guys when I did get that. I added this little curly ribbon to the side. I added Velcro as a closure. I did add some of that shredded grass that I got from where did I get this from? Daiso. Yeah, it was from one of my Daiso hauls. And I'm just going to drop some candy in there and include a little card. So same thing, this one, Velcro. And under the bottom, I did put some of those little enamel dots so that it'll stand. Won't get wet if you place it on the surface. So yeah, I just thought, now I added one right here. I just thought this was really cute. I love these boxes. Again, I will leave the link below. And I did want to shout out one of my subscribers and crafty friends. She sent me a Happy Meal package recently. Let's see. And it came from, now I'm not sure if I did share this with you guys, but it's been a while since I posted a video. So it was from April Durden, and I want to say thank you so much, April. I got your package, and I did send a little thank you card in the mail, but I wanted to share this with you guys. She gifted me some of the rose gold faux leather that I really love. If y'all watched any of my Traveler's Notebook videos, I did use this rose gold to make a Traveler's Notebook, and she gifted me some, so thank you very much. And let me show you the packaging. She packaged this really pretty with that pretty butterfly. Those are those butterflies that I love. Thank you so much, April. And she did include a little note for me, and I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you guys for thinking about me. Even though I have not posted in a while, just know that I do plan on getting back in here, getting some crafty videos. I am scheduled to take my HESI A2 exam on Wednesday coming up, so yeah, So I've been preparing for that too, and that is the exam that you need to take for, it's like a nursing entrance exam for nursing school. So I have done pretty much all of my prerequisite classes. So I am trying to get my HESIA 2 out of the way. Hopefully I'll make great scores so that I can get my application in for this fall semester coming. So anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment below. If you're not subscribed, don't forget, click the link to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll know when I do post another video. Again, I should be coming back here soon with more crafty content for you guys. But thank you for sticking in there with me, and I am going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.